Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be teaching you how to do this airdrop. They call it Myshell.AI airdrop. It requires a BNB. So before you do this, you make sure that you have installed your MetaMask extension in your Miss browser and you have BNB in your MetaMask. Alright. Okay, before you paste the link on your browser, click on this icon that is there. You click on it. Once you click on it, you click on MetaMask. You allow it to load, then put in your password, your MetaMask password. So now then you change the network to BNB. You change it to BNB. Change your network to BNB. Then you can continue with the registration. If you didn't see where to change network in your dashboard, you can click on this three dotted line. You click on the three dotted line, you see desktop site. Click on it, click on this place to change it to desktop site so that you'll be able to see where to change your network. So after you must have changed your network, you can come and remove it from desktop site. Alright. I'm going to drop the link in the description box or in the comment section. You just copy it and paste it in your Mrs. browser. You click on this place, this box that I just circled. You click on it, you open a new tab. You copy the link and paste in this search bar. Paste the link. You enter. So you come to this profile, click on this profile so that you sign up. So you enter email. Continue with email. They will send you a verification code to your email. So you go there and copy your verification code and continue with the registration. Okay, after you must have registered, there's something that is going to pop up that they will ask you to claim your 200 membership. You come to this reward, you click on it. You come to earn share points. This, you click on it. Let's talk. So you click on go. After you have done this one, they say Discord engagement. Connect your Discord account on Myshell. Join Discord community. Click on go, then do the task. This on-chain guru challenge. Perform one interaction on OPNB chain. Get increasing points with. I don't think you can do this one. I've not done this one too. So you just scroll and do the ones that you can do, like this. Talk with well-known characters. Engage in a total of 3 effective conversations with the characters. You chat. You just click here and chat. Hi. Just say whatever you want to say. Chat the three people that is here, then click and then claim your point. As you can see, this one is locked. So it's when you finish doing all these ones, all these first ones, when you finish doing it, then all these ones will unlock. Do you understand? So that is how to do it. It's not difficult. It's very simple and easy. All right, please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified.